It's good, everybody. Today I'm gonna be changing the serpentine belt on this motor because the power steering was leaking on it, and it caused the pulley to burn through the belt, and the belt shredded and busted off. But afterwards, it was stuck behind some of the pulleys, and I believe the balancer, which is making it hard to remove the old belt. So I'm gonna pop the hood here and I'll show you. Alright, here it is. The hood's open. This is 3800 V6, so you can see the belt. I know the lighting is just terrible, but it's all over the back of the pulley. It burned it up. The motor got hot with the belt on it, and it's stuck behind the harmonic balancer down there. I know it's really hard to see down there, but you can kind of see it down there. So I'm going to clean up all these pulleys with a putty knife and some brake clean, and I'm going to grab my channel locks. I'm going to turn the motor over just a little bit, see if I can get that pulley to a position where I can pull the belt out. Alright, okay, I got the belt off. Look at how destroyed that is. It looks like a snake in the grass almost. Destroyed that belt, but I got a brand new one. And there, I got to clean up this pulley right here on top. I believe this is the water pump right here, and I think it's seized. I'm not really sure though. So in fact, it wasn't the power steering pump. All the pulleys are free to turn except for the water pump, which is right there. That top pulley where the belt was burned off on. So we're going to have to take this motor apart. We'll have to probably take the whole side of the car apart and get this water pump off, which is not going to be easy. I'm going to have to watch some videos on YouTube and see if anybody else has had to do this yet. I'm sure they have. So I'll be back somewhere down the line when I have more time to work on this. Today I got a lot of projects, so I got to fix some brakes on another truck real quick. So we'll come back to this 3800 another day. That's it for today, guys. I hope you liked and enjoyed the video. Any comments below would be greatly helpful and appreciated. Stay safe, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the vid. Don't forget to check out our playlist for more videos like this. And until next time, everybody, catch you later. Bye-bye.